Morning guys, about 6:45 a.m. Got a couple of things to show you today. Let's start with this. So you may remember a few episodes back where I did the headliner with this stuff. This product is actually great, but what sucks is the tape on the back is just, I don't know how to explain it. It just does not hold up in the heat. When we were in Hell's Canyon, the whole headliner was falling down and I had to press it back into place and I kept messing around with it. So I'm sure you've heard the saying, mod cheap, mod twice. Well, this is about half price of the Dynamat headliner stuff that my instincts told me to use originally. And for whatever reason, I decided to use this stuff and it just didn't work. So yesterday, I went through and I ripped all that black stuff out, and it made a huge mess on the rooftop, but this turned out really nice. So I basically just went through and replaced everything with the hood liner from Dynamat. I will leave a link in the description. This stuff is not going to fall down. This is quality stuff. The glue on it is meant for high heat. And I was able to use 2 rolls to do the entire rooftop all the way around. So that worked out really good. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for this stuff. It's on Amazon. And it has 1-day shipping on it, I believe. Something else I've been doing behind the scenes here is I've slowly been collecting some of these ISSPRO gauges that I want to install. So today I think we'll start off with this one. Pretty basic. Just a boost gauge. And I think it's the 2 1/16, 2-inch boost gauge. And I got this 10-foot tubing kit to go with it, and it comes with a bunch of adapters and whatnot. And I found something, I think you guys are gonna like it. So we will go in the cab and start ripping the dash apart, and then we'll get this installed. So let's get after it. I forgot to mention, I got both of these off eBay. So the links that and it was quite a while ago, so the links that I would give you normally will probably not work. But I wanted to give you the part numbers. So go ahead and check out those part numbers. And that should help you find them. If you keep searching for this stuff on eBay, it does come up. I believe this gauge was like 20 bucks shipped, and the tubing kit actually cost more. It was like 22 shipped or something like that. So I keep an eye on them. Every so often I buy one if it's cheap, and we'll keep adding to the collection as we go along here. Alright guys, check this out. I came through the, I don't know what you call that, kick panel grommet. There's actually a hole in it already. It just slid right through there. Came along side the frame rail, and then I used this wiring harness as a guide to get that line over. In the Stewart and Stevenson factory back in 1998 when they built my truck, they said, you know, at Sean Filner, he's going to want to put in a boost gauge at some point, so we better leave a 3/8 NPT fitting in there so that he can take that out, get an adapter 3/8 NPT to 1/8 NPT, and put that in there, and then be able to run his boost gauge that he's going to install. It's pretty amazing that the engineers that built these trucks knew exactly what I was going to do 20 years later. Forgot to show you guys this earlier. Remember how I told you that condensation was dripping everywhere on these lines coming in? Well, I got those insulated yesterday, so that's a done deal. As you can see, we got our handy dandy little boost gauge mounted where that air filter monitor thing goes, which wasn't even connected on my truck. The line was cut and it was ripped out. So let's I don't think that this is going to register anything just sitting here. I think I would have to go up a hill or something, but I'm kind of curious now if it'll register anything just sitting in the driveway here. So let's give this a shot. I don't think it'll register anything. I would definitely have to like go up a hill or something. So yeah. Anyhow, it doesn't have a vacuum side on it. And I don't think diesel motors produce a vacuum, although I could be wrong. So I think that's going to be it for this episode, guys. If you enjoyed this episode or you learned something, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But other than that, take care, guys. I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.